Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So I'm fresh out the shower, that's why I have my shower cap on, but it's okay because the girl finna put on her wig and get cute real quick. I got another synthetic wig from Amazon. This was this pretty pink bag, which I think is so pretty, but I hate this material. I opened the wig already because I was doing a lot of running around and I just had to see the wig, so I opened it up. I didn't try it on or anything. I took the net off so I was able to touch it, but I just wanted to put the wig back in here so you guys can see how the wig came in this plastic bag and it was inside a net. But before I open that, I want to dig in here and grab the caps because it came with some caps, which is pretty nice. I wonder if all wig places do that because I'm new to this wig stuff, so I didn't know that they provided wig caps, which is really nice and convenient because I don't have any. Let's get to the fun stuff. So this is the wig. It's nice and long, and I don't think I'm gonna cut this one unless it gives me problems. Then I'm gonna cut it into a bob. It has 3 clips. There's 2 on the side and then 1 in the front, and then you can see that it's a front lace. So already, I'm not even gonna lie, I like the way that this wig fits. It's more snug. The hairline isn't horrible. I don't think it's horrible, but I do think I'm gonna plug it. And I'm really gonna take my time with this one because I want it to look pretty good and pretty natural. Already, I'm loving this color though. Like, I feel like it's gonna get tangled though. This wig is like perfect on my head. I don't feel like I'm gonna have to cut these sides at all. Like, it goes perfect. Okay, come through, wig, come through. I don't want to cut all the lace off. I want to see what the difference would be. You guys know I'm still new to this wig thing, and I know it's just like so many different ways that you can do it. But off back, you guys, this hair is tangling. And I mean, it is synthetic, so I expect that, but it feels really good. It's not very much shedding. There's a few little red hairs in there. Nothing too major though. And now we are going to try to lay some baby hairs. I really should have just brought my comb. What I've learned in my last video is that you don't want these baby hairs too thick, okay?
Buddha on the beat.
See, like it's tangled already just by doing that. It's tangled. I need to cut this lace a little bit more because you guys, you can't even see it right there at all. Like, look at that. It's gone. I'm about to. Now that I have my baby hairs in a lace cut, I'm gonna apply some powder to blend it in with my skin tone, and I'm just gonna get a close-up on how I cut my lace because I cut it really close to the hairline. And I just found that when I cut it this close to the hairline, it looks more seamless to me, and it looks like basically my scalp is. Yeah, I see that. like I haven't glued it down or anything, and you can't even, like, you can hardly see the lace, and especially now it blends in with my skin tone. And what I've learned too with plucking is that you want to make sure that you're getting to the root and actually pulling it out, because with my last wig I was just kind of just gripping it any type of way and just pulling on the hairs, and it actually just caused the hairs to get fuzzy, and that kind of made it look wiggish. It is officially the next day. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it was really late last night and I just got tired, so I just, you know, decided to stop plucking and finish plucking today. So this is what I came up with. And you guys, I'm so proud of myself. But can you see? Okay, you can see all the plucking I did. And I cut the lace pretty close to the hairline because I just feel like it's easier for me to blend the hair together with my forehead, or blend the baby hairs or whatever. I'm not good at baby hairs, so I need it to be as easy as possible. I like the hair, but it tangles like crazy, and even when I comb it out. I'm about to cut this stuff and I still don't have a mannequin head, so I mean, wish me luck, okay? Where the hell did this wave come from? I want to know, because this hair is straight as hell. Then when I cut it, there's a wave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten it, and then I'm going to go back and cut it some more just to make sure that it's even. So far so good. And you guys, I haven't even put on any Got To Be glue. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to be using these Remington flat irons. I got these from Walmart, but they are bomb as hell. I paid $30 for them. They're bomb. Pretty good with heat. I smell something, but it doesn't smell like it's burning. It just, I don't know. It has to smell more like hairspray. Look how straight that got. And it's so bouncy and flowy. So I'm back. We are going to use this Got To Be glue, and we're gonna finesse the baby hairs to the best of our ability, okay? Yeah, look how I slayed. This motherfucker. Look. Do you see it though? Like, what lace? What wig? Huh? What wig? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have a wig on. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean up my cut. This is how I got it to come through. This is challenging though. It's challenging because I don't have a mannequin head. So I basically just did the technique like the shop would do when they cut your ends. I take a section of the hair and slide my fingers all the way down to the end, and then I cut that little section even. You can't even tell that I have on a lace wig. A wig wear. Huh? Who got on a wig? Girl, is this my real hair? What you talking about a wig? My first impressions on this wig after bringing it to life and customizing it a little bit is it's really soft and the hairline wasn't too bad. Thing that I did not like about this hair, and I know that it's a synthetic wig, so I have to expect it. It tangled a lot when I would pluck the hair and then try to comb it out. It'll let me comb through. It was easy to comb out the tangles, it really was, but eventually it started to get poofy and nasty looking, and I just wasn't having it, so I cut it this short, and it holds really good to heat. I didn't burn anything. I do have a smell when I use the flat iron, but it smells mostly like hairspray. It's not a bad smell at all. I don't have a mannequin head, so it is challenging for me to style these wigs, but for the most part, it wasn't hard at all to style it while I was on my own head. But overall, I like this wig. My favorite thing about this wig was the hairline. It was easy to customize. I didn't spend that much time. And if you're a beginner and you're scared to just full-fledged try to customize a wig, I would recommend you go with New World because it's already customized in a way. It just needs a little bit more tweaking and you good to go. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Since I named my other wig, you guys, Meet Spice. Okay, that's who I am. So I'm gonna do a bomb makeup look and bring her like all the way together, because right now it's just like, you know, she almost here. She's almost alive, but not quite.